I see all these others you let put in there. And government says no. Who wins?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an intense moment from a judiciary hearing featuring Senator John Kennedy questioning Judge Brindisi. This exchange is all about constitutional law and the boundaries of political decisions. If you're a fan of legal debates, you won't want to miss this. Stick around and let's break this down. Senator Kennedy kicks things off with a direct question. Can a state legislature blatantly draw election district lines to favor one party over another? A pretty straightforward question, right? But Judge Brindisi, like many judicial nominees, plays it safe. He refers to Supreme Court precedent, saying it's a political question and not something courts can review. Kennedy presses further, is that a yes or no? After some back and forth, Brindisi concedes that yes, under current law, partisan gerrymandering is largely considered a political issue and not unconstitutional. What do you think? Should courts step in when district maps are drawn purely for political gain? Let me know in the comments below.
Can a state legislature do that?
Senator, under the justiciability issue of political question, I believe the Supreme Court has held that those issues are political and not something that the court can review.
So is that a yes or no?
Senator, if they're drawing them for political reasons, as you put, and not for discriminatory purposes in any means, then I believe under Supreme Court precedent that would be a political question.
Okay. Is that a yes or no?
I think it's a yes.
Then Kennedy shifts gears and asks about the Government Speech Doctrine. This is where things get interesting. This doctrine says the government has the right to express opinions and make decisions about speech. Kennedy asks Brindisi, does the government have free speech rights? The judge hesitates, admits he hasn't had experience with cases involving this doctrine, and doesn't seem to have a clear answer.
Do you know what the Government Speech Doctrine is?
Senator, in my 20-plus years practicing civil litigation and 2.5 years on the bench, I have not had the opportunity to hear or litigate any matters involving that doctrine, but certainly if it comes before me, I would thoroughly research it.
This frustrates Kennedy, who tells him, you're going to have to bone up on it, because you're going to see a lot of it. Kennedy gives an example. If a state government creates specialty license plates and allows different designs, can they refuse to approve a controversial one? This has actually been decided in a Supreme Court case. Before we go on, if you're enjoying this breakdown, take a second and hit that button. It helps the channel, and you'll get more deep dives like this. The pattern here is clear. Kennedy is testing whether Brindisi has a deep understanding of constitutional law.
I mean, there's a whole body of case law out there, my gosh. Did you study that in law school, Judge?
I'm sure I did, Senator.
Okay.
And based on his responses, Kennedy doesn't seem impressed. This entire exchange highlights how judicial nominees navigate tough questions. Some play it safe to avoid controversy, while others showcase a firm grasp of constitutional law. In this case, Kennedy's frustration was evident as he tried to get clear answers but often ran into vague responses. So what's your take? Should nominees be more prepared with concrete answers, or is it okay for them to defer until they're actually ruling on a case? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's breakdown. If you found this discussion interesting, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.